you want to scroll down to Themify Custom Panel, Page Options, and select Full Width, and then Update. Now we can head back to our page by clicking on View Page, and you'll see that gap is gone. Okay, so it's fairly easy to add in a background image and also add in some text. Let's say we turn on the builder again. So what I've actually done is I've actually made a demo layout for you guys. So if you actually go back to my website, scroll down to step 7, and then click on download the demo layout, and then download that onto your desktop, okay? And then go back to your website here, and then what you can do is you can see this little icon here, which has got the down arrow. Click on import from file, okay, upload, and then what we're going to do is we're going to look for that file, which is this one here, homepage v1.zip, open, and that's going to import the layout I created for you guys. So as you can see, if we actually zoom out of the page, you see that I've created the entire layout for you guys, and all you really need to do is sort of replace the content, okay? So for some areas, for example, your Instagram feed, that doesn't show up because you actually need to download a plugin and connect that to your Instagram account. Same with your Google Maps and contact forms. But what I've actually done is, so for example, this Instagram feed here, press play, and I've created a video showing you guys exactly how to set up your Instagram feed. So I wanted this tutorial to be short and straight to the point, sort of like a budget airline where you've got all the essentials, but if you want to add on different things, then I've got all the videos for you guys to do that, right? So if we actually turn on the builder again, and I'll show you quickly how you can actually edit it really easily. What I'll do is zoom out, and for example, you might not want a testimonial section, then you can click on the delete icon and delete that. Okay, you might not need a SoundCloud thing here, then you can delete it as well. You can also rearrange the layouts and everything. For example, let's zoom in a little bit more. You can also rearrange the layout just like that and move things about. You can double click each section and change the text. So it's really easy to use, and if you have any questions, drop it down below. But right now I'm going to show you how to change the colors of your website and add in your logos and also your social icon on the bottom. So we're going to click on save, and we're going to close. So what you want to do is click on customize, and then this will take you to Themify options. I'm going to select the advanced tab with more options. So your Themify options is basically where you change the font and also the color and the styling for your website structure, right? So let me explain a little bit. For example, the header, this is the header section. So anything that you edit in here will control this section here. If you, for example, edit the footer, it's going to control down here, okay? If you edit the sticky header, this is actually when you actually scroll, the header actually follows you, like it stays there. That is your sticky header. And then your links over here, that is actually called your main navigation, and you can also set in your mobile menu and edit every section of your website. And also the body section is anywhere in between your header and your footer section. Let me show you an example by clicking on header. The header wrap is basically the background